shirt. So the birds are chirping today. Birds in every way. Eagles flying high. All the birds in the sky. My. And I'm just on my path, my nature walk. On my land. Y'all say it's my land. Why can't I identify it as my land? I'll put it this way. The ancestors have decided so I give thanks to the land who gives back to me. Ironically, I never wanted to be there, thinking that I could never be free. But as you hear the shots in the background, Mom and Dad say you were always free to be. Black history, edutainment, poetry, storytellers, real storytellers. The Black Renaissance. The reason the Black Renaissance was the Black Renaissance, not what you got now. I'm talking when, it's always the Hollies. Mommy says, always remember me, hollies and green trees, stuff like that. And people want to, but really it's a tree of life with berries, a fruitful tree. You know what I'm trying to say? Not dead trees. A lot of chemical testing down here. You have a lot of people who will only tell stories. I know, right? They will only tell stories that benefit them, but not the whole story, and they wonder why they have generations growing up stupid. Cupid can't save you. A fool is a fool. Maybe it's your attitude. You need to replug back into what's real. And I'm just saying, North Carolina Story Walk, the hike. Time for a new story to tell, right? And the land is chosen. And I could be wrong. But it's my birthday season. It's my birthday season. It's my birthday season. And I'm walking this path all on my own. Never alone. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. As I call it, a puppy. It's a big dog. It's a big doggy dog. You gotta be careful with your animals. I don't know what it is about animals, pets. All pets and all animals, even the birds, gravitate to me. Natural things. Hashtag naturally dope. I can see the eyes. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this walk on my own, because it's my gift. So let me suck it in instead of always bringing friends that pretend and only want my ends. Looks like this is where your story ends and mine begins the next chapter of me. Even the tree said, what? Ooh. Bye.